Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. You need an Azure DevOps org, a project, and contributor access. Once confirmed, install Azure CLI and authenticate so commands work immediately. Create a feed now, pick scoped or project level, and add upstream sources if you plan to cache public packages. Make sure to set feed visibility to the right scope because permissions control who can publish versus who can consume. This prevents accidental exposure and speeds up later automation steps. Now you publish and configure packages. Pick the package type, npm, NuGet, Maven, and create pipeline tasks that use the feed's push or publish commands. Use the Azure Artifacts credential provider or an npmrc with a PAT to authenticate. This is how pipelines get secure access. Once published, configure retention and upstream policies so stale or external versions are handled automatically. Run a test publish and consume it in a build to verify both upload and download workflows function as expected. Finish by consuming and automating. Add the feed endpoint to your project and prefer scoped feeds for CI/CD to limit access. Then automate publishing and consuming with YAML pipelines, enabling build caching to speed restores. Make sure lock files reference exact package versions so builds are reproducible. If something goes wrong, start with basic checks. Confirm PAT scopes and expiration, validate feed permissions, and inspect credential provider or pipeline logs for authentication errors. This single troubleshooting step resolves most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.